Hello traders. This morning, an hour before market open, US unemployment data is one of the worst ever. 6.6 million Americans versus 3.7 million filed for unemployment amid coronavirus. This is absolutely horrific data. So how is it possible that despite such horrific data, market rallying? Tell me. How is it possible that S&P is skyrocketing? Take a look what played out. This is 100-point rally. The worst data, the worst unemployment claims ever. And S&P stages bullish rally for 100 points. How is it possible? It plays out for one reason only. Because price reached Alpha Fibonacci Support, Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone, where market been rallying from since March 25th. It is not the place to short near, it is the place to buy from. It's the exact same thing that played out on S&P post-hold. S&P gapping 100 plus points, but skyrocketing again. 180 points plus. How is this possible? Market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. All of these critical support levels identified days and weeks in advance. Early March, worst data. Worst market crashes, but on the chart S&P is rallying 80 to 280 to 350 points plus. And what played out post-unemployment news is another stunning reminder. Turn off the noise. Stop blocking the price with indicators. If Alpha Fibonacci support is present, if reversal zone is present, expect reversal. Look to buy. And when the scanner lighting up the alerts right now, what does it mean? Bullish rally overextended. The long here will never be as good as the long here. And if I convert this chart to 5, this is what played out. Stunning, breathtaking open, stunning market close. And if I convert this chart to 10 to 15, to any chart you choose to trade, no matter how horrific unemployment data is, that's where intelligent strategic trader buys from. So let's take a look at what students have done at the market open. So this is what students have done, traders, this morning without any hand holding. Emmanuel, 15 points on S&P. David Gold, 54 ticks, 3 trades, S&P 13.5 points. Oil 11, Dow 158 points. It is breathtaking trading by proactive strategic Alpha Fibonacci trader. Jennifer shares beautiful, kind words. Jean is killing it with options, with vertical bull spread on SPY. That's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. That's the power of spectacular market open. That intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader would never ever short into, looking to buy from. So if you have not listened to David's podcast, under podcasts, please do. So the podcast section on the website constantly updated with new testimonials from traders all over the world. David, whose performance you just saw, recently shared a podcast. Listen to David. Next, we will get the updates from Brett. We will get updates from Pablo, complete beginner trader, so you can see how they're trading in these markets. So if these students can do it, so can you. They know extremely well. Never ever ever short into Alpha Fibonacci support. It doesn't matter if on the news world is falling completely apart. It doesn't matter if the worst economic data is out. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone is present. Never ever ever short into. Had been stunning lesson month of March. Had been stunning lesson this morning once again, right after unemployment data. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci proactive traders who know where to look to buy from, who know when not to trade, who know very, very clearly Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone drastically more precise and powerful than any news will ever be. And that's the lesson this morning. So Marco just logged in, updating us on his performance, 12 points S&P. Again, David and Marco, week number 5 in the course, killing it in these markets. Stunning, incredible work. So in these horrific times, we need positive energy. In these horrific times, we need community of successful, positive, proactive traders. In front of you, traders all over the world, from Canada to Italy to United States to Middle East, trading Alpha Fibonacci systems successfully on multiple instruments. No matter if it's the smallest account size or if it's large, 7-8 figure account size. Stunning work, everyone. Flawless. So here's a pullback on S&P we're discussing with students. That stunning 100-point bullish rally at the open despite one of the worst unemployment news ever. This is a pullback we're monitoring. We're extremely aware of this range. We're extremely aware of the danger of the crucial moment of this ultimate chop. Buyers remain in charge. Problem is, market in the middle of nowhere. It's a nasty chop. It's a large range because of volatility. So the trader who decides to touch this long, buying in the middle of nowhere. Clear on this? We discussed with students how brutal and nasty that pullback is. It's black and white. Trade the price, not the noise. Know when the market nasty versus when the market spectacular. We knew that the response at this level will determine if price would collapse or not. It did not. It keeps finding buyers. But if you bought at the ultimate bottom this morning, that's not where price is now. This is flawless. This is not. This is very aggressive trading. This is 10 out of 10 trade. This is 7. Are we surprised? Of course not. We knew that shorts will get smashed. We knew that shorting this market not a brilliant thing to do. Price told us so. Buyers remain in charge, but price is extremely high. And that's the power of the method. That's the power of the system. You know, ultimate place for top, ultimate place for bottom, to buy and to sell. and when the price is in the middle, and when the price is in the middle of nowhere, it's a very aggressive trading. Alpha Fibonacci traders are done. No hand holding needed. Never, ever, ever. So again, all of these trades students reporting who've been with me for a couple of weeks, they've done without any hand holding, without any of my guidance. They've done it all independent, well before trading room open, knowing extremely well where to buy, where to sell, where to enter, where to exit the markets. So these students can do it, so can you. Marco logged in a little bit later, 12 points S&P. All of this after a couple of weeks with Fibonacci Trading Institute. If these students can do it, so can you. As price remains in the middle of nowhere, as price remains stuck, intelligent trader knows the difference between buying the bottom versus being in the middle. Nothing in common between buying here versus being stuck here. World and world of difference. Alpha Fibonacci traders not subjecting themselves to torture. Alpha Fibonacci traders met their daily goal and done long time ago, well before trading room open. If you decide to trade as Emmanuel, as David, as Mark, or as Jean, please review the information on the website. Very few spaces left with the biggest discount ever. Lifetime license of software, 3 months group class, video library, and live guided trading. So once this biggest discount ever is gone, it will no longer be available. Exact same thing applies to private mentoring traders. 6 months private mentoring includes all group classes. And if you decide not to utilize this software, not a problem. Options without software also available. Please review all the information on the products section. And if you have any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you.